Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving into the importance of patio privacy fence design and tips for how to choose the perfect materials and fencing styles to enhance your outdoor space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In today's fast-paced world, finding a quiet and secluded outdoor space is essential for relaxation and rejuvenation. A well-designed patio privacy fence can transform your backyard into a tranquil sanctuary, providing privacy, security, and a sense of seclusion. In this video, we will delve into the world of patio privacy fence design, exploring its meaning, benefits, decorative possibilities, and the best materials to choose from. A patio privacy fence is a physical barrier erected around a patio or outdoor living area to create a private and enclosed space. It serves as a visual and physical barrier, shielding your outdoor activities from prying eyes and unwanted noise. A well-designed patio privacy fence can enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of your backyard while providing a sense of security and tranquility. A patio privacy fence offers numerous benefits, including: first, privacy. Creates a secluded and intimate outdoor space, allowing you to enjoy your backyard without feeling exposed. Second, security. Acts as a deterrent to potential intruders, adding a layer of protection to your property. Third, noise reduction. Helps to block out unwanted noise from neighbors or nearby traffic, creating a peaceful environment. Fourth, aesthetics. Enhances the overall appearance of your backyard, adding a touch of style and sophistication. Fifth, property value. Can increase the value of your home by creating a desirable outdoor living space. There are countless ways to decorate your patio privacy fence to suit your personal style and preferences. Here are a few ideas to get you started. First, vertical gardens. Create a living wall by planting climbing plants or vines on your fence. Second, hanging planters. Add color and interest by hanging potted plants or flowers along the fence. Third, outdoor lighting. Illuminate your fence with string lights, lanterns, or solar-powered lights to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Fourth, trellis. Attach a trellis to your fence and train climbing plants or vines to create a natural and elegant look. Fifth, artwork. Hang decorative panels, tapestries, or pieces of artwork on your fence to add a personal touch. Sixth, privacy screens. Install privacy screens made of wood, metal, or fabric to provide additional privacy and visual interest. Seventh, built-in seating. Create a cozy outdoor seating area by incorporating built-in benches or planters into your fence design. Eighth, outdoor rugs. Add a touch of color and texture to your patio with a colorful outdoor rug. Ninth, outdoor curtains. Hang sheer or opaque curtains along your fence to create a more intimate and private space. 10th, water features. Install a small fountain or waterfall near your fence to add a soothing sound and visual element. The choice of material for your patio privacy fence will depend on your budget, desired aesthetic, and maintenance requirements. Here are some of the most popular options. 1. Wood. Offers a natural and classic look, but requires regular maintenance to prevent rot and decay. 2. Vinyl. Durable, low maintenance, and available in a variety of colors and styles. 3. Aluminum. Lightweight, corrosion resistant, and easy to install. 4. Metal. Provides a modern and sleek look, but can be more expensive than other materials. 5. Composite. A combination of wood and plastic, offering the appearance of wood with low maintenance. And to complete your inspiration, hear these the compilation of the top 10 best patio privacy fence design ideas. 1. Modern minimalist fence. A sleek and contemporary design featuring clean lines, simple materials, and minimal ornamentation. Perfect for those who prefer a minimalist aesthetic and want to create a modern and sophisticated outdoor space. 2. Rustic wood fence. A classic and timeless look with weathered wood planks, rustic finishes, and natural elements. Ideal for creating a warm and inviting outdoor retreat with a traditional feel. 3. Vertical garden fence. A sustainable and eco-friendly option that combines privacy with greenery. Plant climbing vines, shrubs, or flowering plants on the fence to create a vibrant and living wall. Perfect for those who love nature and want to add a touch of color and life to their backyard. 4. Latticework fence. A decorative and versatile design featuring intersecting strips of wood or metal. Latticework fences can be customized with different patterns, sizes, and materials to create a unique and visually appealing look. Ideal for adding a touch of elegance and privacy to your outdoor space. 5. Bamboo fence. A natural and eco-friendly choice that provides privacy and adds a tropical touch. Bamboo fences are lightweight, durable, and easy to install. Perfect for creating a relaxed and serene outdoor atmosphere. 6. Metal fence with geometric patterns. A modern and eye-catching design featuring intricate geometric patterns made of metal. Metal fences are durable, low maintenance, and available in a variety of colors and finishes. Perfect for those who want to make a bold statement with their outdoor space. 7. Privacy screen fence. A versatile option that can be customized with different materials and designs. Privacy screen fences can be made of wood, metal, or fabric, and can be installed as a standalone fence or attached to an existing fence. Perfect for creating a private and secluded outdoor space. 8. Living wall fence. A stunning and eco-friendly design that features a vertical garden of plants and flowers. Living wall fences are a great way to add greenery, privacy, and a touch of natural beauty to your backyard. Perfect for those who love gardening and want to create a sustainable and visually appealing outdoor space. 9. Built-in seating fence. A functional and stylish design that incorporates built-in benches or planters into the fence. Built-in seating fences provide a comfortable and convenient place to relax and enjoy your outdoor space. Perfect for entertaining guests or simply enjoying a quiet afternoon. 10. Combination fence. A unique and personalized design that combines different materials and styles. Combination fences can be used to create a visually interesting and functional outdoor space. Perfect for those who want to express their creativity and individuality through their fence design. A well-designed patio privacy fence can transform your backyard into a serene and inviting outdoor oasis. By carefully considering your budget, desired aesthetic, and maintenance requirements, you can choose the perfect fence to enhance your outdoor living space. Remember to personalize your fence with decorative elements that reflect your unique style and create a space that you can truly enjoy. For more inspiration and design ideas, be sure to check out our other videos on patio design and outdoor living. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Homes Decor Designs, for regular updates on the latest trends and tips. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.